So we're gonna learn in this video how you can set up and use Control D DNS for Android without any app. Firstly, head over to controlD.com/freedns. Link is given in description. We've got here the standard configurations and also the custom configuration. Let's go firstly to standard configuration. Now you can directly pick up any configuration that you like here. For example, we have malware, ads and tracking, social, family friendly, uncensored, etc. If you want to block the ads and trackers, tap on ads and tracking here and you can see what it blocks here, malware and ads and tracking. And you can also view the use cases for this configuration. It is used for privacy protection, faster internet and improved usability. Now if you want to use this DNS, tap on configure. It will bring you the page here with legacy DNS and secure DNS. For your Android phone, you're gonna choose the secure DNS and this option here, DNS over TLS. Copy this address if you wanna block the ads and trackers on Android. Once it's copied, we're gonna go to private DNS settings on Android. For that, go to settings of Android. Inside the settings, go to connections and we're gonna reach to more connection settings here. Tap on private DNS. And if it's off here, we're gonna turn it on here. Choose private DNS provider hostname and fill in the DNS that you had just copied. Paste. Once it's done, tap on save. Now this DNS will block any kinds of ads and trackers from your phone. Go back to the same website. We're gonna learn several more things here. Directly from this page, you can also select the type of configuration by tapping on this drop down arrow and select here malware, social, family friendly, uncensored, etc. Changing the configuration type will also change the legacy and secure DNS, which you can copy and use just like before. So we have learned the basic or single configuration. Now let's move to advanced or custom configuration. Scroll down. And we have here custom configuration. Suppose you wanna combine two or more configurations here. This comes in handy for this purpose. Let's assume that you wanna block the ads and trackers, adult content and malware, phishing, etc. from your Android. Now once the desired filters have been selected, tap on configure. Now it will give you custom DNS here, a secure DNS. That means we can copy this one here for phone DNS over TLS. Copy this and you can just set it on your settings with private DNS. Go back once again to settings. Reach to private DNS and then we can paste the custom configuration DNS address, this one here. Once you save it, it is going to block ads, adult content, malware, etc. So that's how you can configure, set up and use the Control D DNS for Android. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel.